Discover a home where timeless elegance meets modern charm. This design seamlessly blends traditional details with contemporary touches, creating spaces that are both luxurious and inviting. A warm, traditional entryway with a console table, abstract art with blue accents, a patterned runner, and an elegant staircase lined with curated artwork. This living room is a mix of rustic and modern styles. A white brick fireplace and exposed beams create a cozy feel, while a vibrant abstract painting adds a pop of color to the neutral space. A clean, modern farmhouse kitchen with a wooden slab island, bright white cabinetry, subway tile, warm exposed beams, and bold dark pendants. A cozy, inviting space with a colorful pillow-layered sofa, bold abstract art, and a striped ottoman, complemented by a coral armchair, white fireplace, and gold mirror. A cozy, inviting space with a colorful pillow-layered sofa, bold abstract art, and a striped ottoman, complemented by a coral armchair, white fireplace, and gold mirror. A bright, cozy space with a pillow-layered sofa, bold abstract art, striped ottoman, coral armchair, and white fireplace with gold mirror. A luxurious white marble bathroom with ornate mirror, arched window, built-in tub, and chandelier for a glamorous touch. A cozy, elegant living room with a lit fireplace, ornate mirror, large windows, colorful rug, and built-in bookshelves, arranged for inviting conversation. A dramatic powder room with gold-patterned wallpaper, a vintage-style vanity, and a dark ornate mirror, creating a bold and sophisticated look full of character. A series of bold, playful bedrooms, one with a patriotic navy, red and white scheme and star rug, another with lime green, navy and red bunk beds and a cozy window seat, and a third with dark blue walls, orange bedding, striped rug, and rustic exposed beams. Two bathrooms, one with blue wallpaper and white vanity, the other with shiplap, rustic mirror, and red accents. A bright, organized mudroom with white built-in cubbies, coat hooks, and shelves, paired with herringbone wood floors for a touch of sophistication.